Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Wild Game Cooking with Second Habit Outdoors. This week's episode, we're going to show you how to make two different kinds of wild game sliders. What you'll need is Hawaiian Rolls, hot banana peppers, wild game meat, Pepperjack Cheese, barbecue sauce, your choice, unsalted butter, 1 white onion, 1.5 cups of beef stock, 8 garlic cloves, and Parmesan cheese. Starting things off, in a pressure cooker, add your onions, your garlic, and your 1.5 cups of beef broth. Next, add your meat evenly throughout the bottom of the pressure cooker. For this recipe, we chose to use duck. After pressure cooking your meat should be easily shreddable. Using 2 forks, shred all of your meat. Next, you're going to want to cut your Hawaiian rolls in half, and then spread the meat out evenly over the tops of them. We chose to do half of ours barbecue and the other half slightly spicy with some pepperjack and banana peppers. You can do them all one way if you prefer. For the spicier sliders, cover the tops of them with pepperjack cheese. Next, add banana peppers to the top of the pepperjack cheese. As for the barbecue side, cover the meat with your desired amount of barbecue sauce. Now you can place the tops of the buns back on the sliders. In a pot, lightly saute your garlic, then add your butter and heat until it's melted. Using a spoon or a basting brush, cover the tops of the sliders. Lastly, top your sliders with Parmesan cheese. Heat your oven to 350 and bake for about 20 minutes. Remove from oven and serve. Thanks for checking out the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe up in the top left, or check out more wild game cooking videos on the right. Until then, have a good one.